How do you solve for x here? We have 13 raised to x cubed equals x. So let's see how we can solve x. Solution. Now, first of all, to solve a situation like this, we have to make sure the power here is down. So given 13 raised to x cubed equals x. Now to bring the power here down, I have to take log on both sides. So I'll proceed with natural log ln of that, ln of x. So when we have ln of a raised to x, same as x, ln of a. So this side will be x cubed ln of 13 equals to ln of x. Now we can group the x on one side as we divide both sides by x cubed. So once I do that, x cubed, so this side will cancel. So I've left ln of 13 equals to ln of x on x cubed. All right, now let's write the right hand side, okay, in linear form. So we have ln of x times x to the power minus 3 ln of 13. Okay, now before we can compute this, we have to apply the Lambert W function. So when we have t times e raised to t, when you take W function of this, the answer will be t. So let's not forget this property. And also e raising ln of something, the result is that. Okay, so let's apply this here and we take W function. So we have ln of 13 plus ln of x times e raised ln. Now we are raising everything here, x raised to minus 3 like this. Okay, don't change anything. Now let's deal with this one. So ln of 13 equals to ln of x. So this one will be here e minus 3 ln of x. Remember the rule. Okay. So we have this. Now remember to take W function. What is here must be equal to what is there. Okay. So we have minus 3 ln of x, and this side is ln of x. So something is missing here. So let's multiply both sides by minus 3 to balance it. So we have minus 3 ln of 13 equals to minus 3 ln of x e raised to minus 3 ln of x. So we have this. So once we have this, we can proceed and take Lambert W function. So we have W function of minus 3 ln of 13 equals to W function of minus 3 ln of x e raised to minus 3 ln of x. All right. So from here, the W function of, now we can manipulate this one. We can write this one as 3 times minus 1 times ln of 13. And this one, the answer is minus 3 ln of x. All right. So we can say W function. Now the minus 1 will come here. That will be 3 ln of 13 raised to negative 1 equals to, and we can also write this one as 3 times minus 1, whereby the negative 1 come here. Okay, so we can say W function ln of, so this side is 1 on 13 equals to 3 ln of 1 on x. So let's divide both sides by 3. Have this. So we have W function of 3 ln of 1 on 13 on 3 equals to ln of 1 on x. So the next step is to remove the ln here. And don't forget that e raised to ln of something is that. So to remove this, you have it raise both powers, or raise both sides with e. So I'll take e raising W function of that 3 ln of 1 on 13 on 3 equals to e raised ln of 1 on x. So this side will have it 1 on x, and this side remains as that. So we have this. So the final answer of x equals to 1 on everything e 1 on 13 on 3. That's the final answer. All right. So thanks for watching.